Interested in earning money by promoting products on Amazon? Our step-by-step tutorial will show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program with ease. Discover how to create your affiliate account, get your unique tracking ID, and start monetizing your website or blog by recommending Amazon products. It's a simple process and we will guide you through every step. Watch now and kickstart your journey as an Amazon affiliate. To sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, step 1. Go to the Amazon Associates website. Step 2. Click join now for free. Step 3. Log in with your Amazon account or create one. Step 4. Provide your website or app information. Step 5. Enter your preferred store ID and explain your website. Step 6. Choose your preferred payment method. Step 7. Verify your identity and submit your application. Step 8. Once approved, start using affiliate links to earn commissions.